Hi. Hi, Elizabeth. Hi, Kevin.
They was I'm not playing with them.
Why not?
Kevin is filming.
Michelle.
But he wants to play on this. I know. Daddy, can you go outside and film us?
Yeah.
I'm gonna play that one. I'm too heavy for this, man. I'm too heavy for this. Come on, swim over here. Cool. Biggie ball. Awesome. I'm too heavy. This is too heavy. Oh, yeah. I can go down. Boogie board, don't let the boogie Get away from this. A crab! A crab! A crab! I found a crab! A dinosaur trap! I found a dinosaur trap! What dinosaur trap? Right there! Let me see. Whoa! It's more bigger than my hand! Right there! See that? Yeah, I see it. You see that? Yeah. Dinosaur trap? Deep water. What? Where? Yes? Come on. No, some sharks are there. Little sharks. Deep water? Yeah. Okay, come on, let's.
Ella siempre quiere comer cuando no es la hora de comer. Siempre quiere comer porquerías. Pues que pide comida, pide snacks, algún candy. Papacha. El Billy Boy sí está hungry. Sí, y a mí ya me toca. A mí sí ya me toca. I'm hungry. Hi, but now I found something to have fun with. I'm pulling my sister's hair. I'm pulling my sister's hair. ¿Qué pasó? Mikey, no, mira. El tiro yo el tuyo. Claro. Creo que le gusta mucho tirar. A ver si te gusta que te tiren el pelo a ti. Mikey? No me gusta, ¿no?
He doesn't have a hair. He has some up here.